Hello Mercedes fans in cartoon form. This is kind of a redo. I just picked up two different colors of castings I already have. So the first one is a C-Class, and it's in blue. These things came out, first it says Mercedes-Benz Volume 1. I don't know if there was a Volume 2 ever made. These both say 2004. I like how they can see both sides of the car. So they're pretty old, right? And I don't know why they have such wasteful packaging. Like, why are you shipping all this air around? Yeah, they got the G-Wagon. Yeah, these colorways. 4 colors, it seems, of each of the 3 castings. And then this is a little plastic piece, I think, meant to keep the thing on. So let's get this out of the way. Let's get this one open. So it seems like there's actually some, those are very loose covers, by the way. There's like twist ties holding this thing in place, I guess for shipping. And then when you're done with that, this just keeps it in place for temporary, removal if you want to play with it or put it back or whatever. Hold on, I actually have clippers that can do this job better. This SL actually has a piece of plastic also protecting the hard top from getting scratched up. So we'll take that off. So these things go here. So basically these little teeth here grab, this part of the plastic base. But all my ChoroQs go into a file folder. Keep a cap in it. So we don't need these anymore. Okay, let's go with the C-Class. I'm not going to really talk too much about these because I've already reviewed these earlier. But I will say that this blue looks like it's metallic. And sadly, there's something on the top. I think that's where maybe it came out of the plastic mold. The sprue. Or it's a paint contaminant. I'm not sure. But you have the Mercedes star printed on this little piece of clear plastic, and then there's no lens cover for the lights, but they molded the light bucket so it still looks like a three-dimensional headlight. It just doesn't have a clear cover. And then the wheels are specific to the mold. Those are like Mercedes wheels, the lug nut details. It's got translucent red taillights, which are nice, but oddly nothing on the back. It says 04 on the bottom, standard construction screw, and the tab. So they're pullback toys, and it goes. Alright, so, yep. It's also cool that it says 2004 on the license plate. C-Class. So the SL says SL 2004. It's got a big star here in chrome paint. It says black paint in the grille, which is really nice. I don't know. Yeah, the C-Class actually did too. Alright. Same treatment with the headlights, no cover, but they're molded. There's black paint under the vents. The wheels are different, but they are blanked off though. Red translucent taillights, some exhaust tips here with some depth in the middle. Oh, well, this is nice. The trunk actually has a Mercedes star right there. So then this trunk must open, if I recall. Not very easily though. For a toy, you'd think this would be easier to actuate. And I think kids would have a hard time with this if I'm having a hard time with it. There we go. So yeah, that's how the top comes out. There's like a little tab here. Doesn't really want to go flush with... I guess that's... Actually, that is pretty good. And that comes back down. Although I'm not sure why you'd want to display this with the top up, but it's for playability, I guess. So now the question is, can we get that back down easily? Yeah, actually not bad. There's also the black here for the sun visors to hold that tab in place. And then, oh boy, this is not nice. Well, look at what's going on under this clear coat. Like the plastic is melted, or just wasn't cooled properly after the molding process. Ah boy, that's too bad. It's got the blueprinting of the star there, but boy, that's not nice to see. Well, luckily I have a black one. Alright, well, that's too bad. Let's compare it to those other Mercedes. Well, that is the slowest setting, actually. Okay, C-Class wise, I have the silver one. And there you go. And then this SL is a black one, but I have 3D printed wheels and brakes on this one, so I really like it. It also doesn't have that. Oh, you know what? Look at this. Look at the undulations here in the same area. So this is basically a poorly designed mold where they didn't design it properly, so for the plastic to flow properly or cool properly. So keep that in mind, that no matter what color SL you get, there's a chance it might have that problem. Here's a C-Class police one. I added black paint to the wheels on those, and I think it looks better with that. Here's a, boy, I don't know, I think this is an A-Class, or maybe it's a B-Class. And I have 3D printed wheels on it. And then I have, I think this is an E-Class, but it's an estate wagon. And then I have the G-Wagon from the same collection in white. And one more, but it's not ChoroQ, it's by a brand called HHQ. And it's a Hong Hing Toys, 2019. It's some sort of police-related vehicle. Maybe it's like a customs or border patrol for China or Hong Kong. I don't remember in my review, but it's really nice. I like the wheels on it. Alright, so that is my Mercedes collection. Oh, the tire's all messed up on this. I don't know why, but this tire doesn't want to really sit in place. I think it's maybe shrinking. You know, it is old. Well, okay. So, a bit of a letdown on that silver one. I didn't even notice it on the black one. So, you probably want to buy the black one. Although, it's hard to see the details on a glossy black vehicle. Oh well. Okay, well, if you like Mercedes and cartooned vehicles, this video is right up your alley. If not, just watch a different video. Thanks, I'll see you guys. Bye.